Stop panicking every time you swipe your card. It's time to stop guessing and start mastering your money. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Growth Library, where we distill the world's most powerful ideas into actionable insights. Today, we're breaking down the game-changing book, Broke Millennial by Erin Lowry. Let's address the elephant in the room. Fear. Many people avoid their bank accounts because they feel behind. Lowry's mission isn't to judge you for buying lattes, it's to help you understand your money story so you can finally take control. Part 1. The Mindset. The plan, money isn't just math, it's a mindset. We all have unconscious beliefs about wealth. Ask yourself, are you a hoarder, a spender, or an avoider? Reflect on your earliest money memory to break those old patterns. In other chapters, we rebrand the word budget. Lowry calls it a cash flow manifesto. Instead of tracking every cent and getting burnt out, try the percentage method. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. A budget shouldn't tell you what you can't do. It should give you permission to spend on what you actually value. Part 2. The Tools of the Trade. Moving on to banking and credit. Don't just use a bank because your parents did. Look for high-yield savings accounts. Don't let your money sit lazy in a big-name bank. Put it to work where it actually pays you interest. Then there's your credit score. Think of it as your adult GPA. It determines your ability to buy a home or even get a job. Pro tip: never close your oldest credit card. It's the anchor of your credit history. Part 3. Managing Debt Emergencies. Avatar. Now let's talk about the debt monster. Lowry suggests two main paths. The debt snowball. Pay the smallest balance first for a quick win. The debt avalanche. Pay the highest interest rate first to save money. There is no right way, only the way that keeps you motivated. And you must have an emergency fund. Start with a goal of $1,000, then build up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. This isn't for vacations, it's your safety net for when life happens. Part 4. Life, Love, and Career. Money affects our relationships too. When it comes to your social life, don't be afraid to say, "I can't afford that." Suggest a potluck or a hike instead. Real friends care about your presence, not your price tag. In the workplace, negotiate your worth. Don't ask for a raise based on your bills. Ask based on the value you've added to the company. Keep a work-win folder to track your successes throughout the year. Part 5. Investing the Future. Investing. It's not just for rich people. Thanks to compound interest, $100 invested in your 20s is worth far more than $100 in your 40s. Start with your company's retirement match. That's free money. Keep it simple with low-fee index funds. Conclusion. Being broke is a temporary state, not a permanent identity. By facing the numbers, you move from scraping by to building a life. Finally, friends. If this summary gave you the push you needed, please hit that like button and subscribe to Growth Library for more life-changing insights.